Hi guys, I'm Chef Winnie from Smoke Queen Barbecue, and this is my smoked beef rib with gochujang barbecue sauce. I prefer to use oyster sauce as my binder, and this will help all my spices stick to the meat. Oyster sauce works so well with meat because it's got that balance of flavor. It actually brings out that sweetness in the beef. Honestly, this is the one staple that my mom and my grandma always has in their kitchen, and it's pretty much added to almost all their recipes. And now let's make my gochujang barbecue sauce. This is one of my signature dishes. We serve this every Sunday at my restaurant in Garden Grove. I love using Kum Kee sesame oil because I know it's 100% sesame, it's toasted, it's earthy, and just so yummy. I got the inspiration for this dish when I actually went to have Korean barbecue, and I thought, you know what, let's take the kalbi, but twist it a little bit with gochujang and American barbecue, and that's what I came up with. This sauce is so well-rounded thanks to Kum Kee sesame oil. I just love that earthiness that toasted sesame oil provides. Garnish with some sesame seeds and green onions. You can find this recipe and 100 more in my upcoming cookbook, Chinese American Barbecue. Pre-order today. Let's take a bite into this. This is so good. I can taste the sesame oil. I can taste the wood smoke. Such a good mouthfeel.